Good evening. Welcome to California Truck Center's second annual Top Technician Competition. We have brought you here tonight to honor your commitment, celebrate your achievements, and recognize you for the choice to serve the transportation industry with your talents and skills.
No, you can never be prepared too much. Don't hesitate. Go with your gut.
Nervous all around.
I feel pretty good. I was close last year, and now that I got in it this year, I think I'm gonna do pretty well.
It's pretty crazy, kind of nervous, but hopefully all goes good.
The commitment requires practice, learning, evolving. That is what sets you apart from the rest.
I'm excited to meet new people.
Definitely trying to run it back on this year's competition or just place.
So here's my challenge to you tonight. Don't stop here. Take what you've earned and turn it into momentum. Keep pushing your craft. Keep holding the bar high and bring someone with you along the way.
Meeting the other techs, seeing the issues that they see at their dealerships, I find the camaraderie very enjoyable.
I'm excited to see, what's in store for us, how's the layout gonna be, and, and to have fun.
It felt great, unexpected. Excited about for the next competition so I could be more ready.
Excellent isn't a moment, it's a mindset. And every single day that you show up, you get to choose. Do you want to maintain the standard, or do you raise it for everyone who comes after you? Congratulations to each and every one of you. Now go and set the bar even higher.
I enjoyed it. I mean, it's a competition. You got the nerves, but overall, it's an enjoyable experience.
I really enjoyed it. I thought it was really challenging, but it really tested my skills.
Overall, I did enjoy it. It helps expand a little bit more on training and what we need to learn in troubleshooting and how to solve puzzles that we see on trucks on a daily basis.
Transmission one, because I don't do transmissions.
Ooh, the being time. Yeah, being under the gun, all that pressure. Look up, I got 5 minutes left and I'm almost not even finished.
Challenging part, I guess for me, it was looking up the material. That's an area of improvement that I could improve on.
Well, the challenging one was the N2. Yeah, that was kind of my favorite, but yeah, that was the hardest.
I like the transmission and the liner protrusion.
The electrical section.
My favorite one was probably the M2 AC in-op.
I like the blue boards. I prefer electrical, and those are easy to just get down and do what I do best.
It helped me grow by, going more into the literature and everything that's accessible through the portal and tech literature. Just deep dive into that, and eventually you'll find what you're looking for.
At least how to handle with pressure a little bit more. Right here there was pressure, not only because it was a competition, but 30 minutes. Not even at work, I do it in 30 minutes.
To see what's new coming out and to just be more vigilant on going to tech literature.
There's a good amount of similarities, which I appreciate. Again, I go back to the Detroit competition, and it was a lot like that. Like I said before, these guys do an amazing job here at the training center.
For the 2026 California Truck Center Top Technician, our third place winner, Carlos Garcia. Second place winner, Gagan Sandhu. 2026 Top Technician, first place winner, Miguel Carmona.